back to Brush and Spoon. I hope all you kids are keeping yourself active with some kind of an activity. And when I was thinking of what craft do I teach to you, for me I like taking a lot of photographs and maintaining the album and all that. And I like to work on a lot of photo frames using upcycled art. So I thought today I will teach you how you can make a photo frame, and I chose a theme of Minnie Mouse. So Minnie Mouse and cardboard, using all this I thought I'll teach you to create a photo frame. So let's get crafting. So first I've taken all these things. So what we have to do is, in the compass, let me clear all this. So in the compass what I'm going to do is, I'm going to first do the face for the Minnie Mouse. So whatever size you want, you can just draw it. So compass use பண்ணிட்டு first நம்ம வந்து இந்த circle பண்ணிக்கலாம். So this is the circle I've done. So இப்போ வந்து just a rough ears we can draw. So you can use it with the compass itself, or freehand you can draw like the Minnie Mouse ears. So once you have got this, now what we do is, I'm going to use a CD. So this is going to be the center. So mark this measurement again. So I'm taking the CD Wichita measurement. So this is going to be my center frame. So again I'm keeping the compass and again drawing one more circle. So now if you see, I have done the Mickey Mouse face, the Minnie Mouse face outline I have done, and in the center I have done it and the outline. So now with this pink sheet, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to draw a bow, like mela varadhukku namakku bow venum. So we're just going to draw a bow. It can be of any shape. Bow, it can be like a double bow or a single bow, whichever way you want, you can just use it. But see, both the sides are like little bit proportionate. Rombo different arka kudadu. So now this bow is there. So now again what I'm going to do is, if ide madri I need one more ring, only the ring I need. So all this I'm going to cut. So I'm going to cut the bow. I'm going to cut the bow and cut this. So all this I'm going to just cut it off. So I've just cut everything and kept it ready. So if you see, the bow is there. And as I told you, or inner ring venum adu ready paniyachu, idu ready paniyachu. So ipo what we do is, we start filling the paint. So take the acrylic paint and we are going to fill the color. So now this frame is completely ready. So I'm just going to keep it aside for drying. In the meantime, this bow is there. Now I've just done an outline on that, and using the glue, what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to stick chinna in the mari crystals vandu adu mela I'm going to stick. So it's your choice. You can use any crystals on that. So and allow it for drying. So if you see, now my bow I've completely stuck and given it a complete drying time, so it's neatly done. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to place this Mickey Mouse and the frame together. So for that I'm going to put adhesive on this side, just half of it, full illa half, because photo nam insert pannu. So I'm just going to apply the glue. Just going to apply the glue, and you can use a brush and you can just evenly spread it so it sticks well. Any adhesive you can use for it, glue or adhesive, whatever you have, you can use it. So now I'm going to stick it on this. So correctly you keep the side, and we are going to keep it on the frame. So in the side one, it is open. See, this portion is open, the other portion is completely sealed. So let this completely dry. So we are going to fix the bow on this. So bow is going to be here. So again, for the bow we are going to stick the adhesive. So you can use any strong adhesive for it. So for the bow again, I'm putting the adhesive. Done. So see the center, and we need to place it. Yeah, perfect. Okay. See that you correctly place it, because once you do it, you can't keep moving it. So all these extra ones that is fallen also have stuck. So now our frame is completely ready. Allow it, give it some nice drying time. Then once it's dried, we can fit in the photo inside. So now the photo frame is ready. I've actually inserted the photo inside through this because the base is open. So now you can stick a double side paper, like double side tape, and use it as a wall mount, or you can even make it like a standy, a standy type. You can keep it on your study table or your bedside table and dressing table. And a cute little Minnie Mouse photo frame is ready to decorate your place. So kiddos, I think you followed all the steps. It's very easy and simple. Like if you don't have a new cardboard, you can use old cardboard or a thick sheet, like thick sheets also, or you can even do it in a chart paper, because you're going to only mount it on a wall or something. So you can use it with a double side tape or something like that. So this is a very, very simple and a cute craft which you can do, and you can decorate your room, or even you can gift it to your friends and all that. So do try this craft out, and share the photos with me, so I also can see how nicely you guys are getting into crafting. So happy crafting, stay home and stay safe.